In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in WPS Office Mobile. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you are creating documents on your phone and want your images to look clean, balanced, and professional. Whether you are working on school files, office documents, or simple designs, knowing how to properly resize an image can make a big difference in how your document looks overall. To begin, open the WPS Office Mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, make sure you are already inside the document where you want to insert and design your image. At the bottom of the screen, tap the picture icon or the option that allows you to add images. This will open your gallery and let you choose the image you want to place in your document. Select the image you need, then tap the Confirm or OK button at the bottom to insert it into your file. After the image is added, tap on it once to select it. You will immediately notice small gray circles appearing around the edges of the image. These circles are the resizing handles, and they allow you to change the size of your image directly on the document. If you want to resize the image evenly while keeping its original shape, focus on the gray circles located at the corners. Dragging these corner handles inward will make the image smaller, while dragging them outward will make it larger. This method keeps the width and height balanced, which helps prevent the image from looking stretched or distorted. You may also notice gray circles positioned along the sides of the image. These side handles allow you to adjust the width or height separately. While this option can be useful in certain situations, it should be used carefully. Adjusting only one side can sometimes make the image look compressed or unnaturally stretched. For most documents, using the corner handles is the safest way to maintain image quality and keep everything looking clean. Taking a little time to resize your images properly can greatly improve the overall appearance of your document. Well-sized images help your content feel more organized, easier to read, and visually pleasing, especially when combined with text and other elements. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Using these simple steps, you can confidently resize images in WPS Office Mobile and create documents that look polished and professional every time.